That'll stick right. And what are we hearing now? We're hearing the guys here. Hey, Frankie! Ooh, you already had your food. You want another go? I'm sending Frankie and Buddy. I'm going to be talking about that. They send in things to try to achieve things. Dentures. Hey? Now this is what you'd call an extra feed for Frankie. Usually I don't have to do that. I have to be hardly anything around. But I've talked about how things lure, you know. They lure their victims. Sorry, just saying that recently about snipering happening. Brr. Noisy. Look at that, it's got turbo in it. Turbo Man. Hey, what are humans turbo into lately? Drill. Is it into their success? Do they talk about success all the time over history? But have they achieved it? And if that's true, and if they're still on the same way of the path they're usually on, which is business since the success of the industrial world, then they're heading straight for what? What would that show us? That might show us that maybe these will be in a hologram or something. Maybe the humans will, and it'll be cockroaches and you guys. What do you reckon? Just a bit of sense of humour there, just chucking in. There's not good things going on out there, eh? Protests and stuff like that. But I guess in one way, I thank God in a world that didn't last too great and too long. Certain areas, you hear about it, a lot of death. But I guess it's good to see and chill out and not worry about the devil's bad gifts so much. As I was born with cystic fibrosis, and with this disease we don't fit in too well. We're sick a lot. We're not good for the engine. Some would call us a hindrance, which sucks. But there's more hindrances out there than people with cystic fibrosis. In fact, some people bring on the hindrances, like the industrial system itself with the cancer. If you go back in history, it's a new thing, these new things. But anyway, have a good one out there, everybody, and see you later.